Locate and close gaps in course standards coverage to ensure your course offering aligns with all necessary standards. This tutorial shows how to locate and fix gaps in course standards coverage. To begin, from Lessons, click Standards. From here, you can view the standards associated with your course offering. Now, we will locate standards that are not yet aligned with the course offering. Select Display Only Standards which have no course material. In this example, there are a few standards that still need to be aligned with the course offering. Close the dialog box. Next, we will align the unallocated standards with the related course material. Navigate to a unit from the table of contents. Click Options, and select View Standards. Click the Materials tab, then click Edit Standards Alignment to get started, and select the desired checkboxes to associate material from the selected unit to the available standard. When you are ready, click Save Changes. Then, click Close. Now, more of the standards for your course offering have been aligned with the related course materials. Continue this process until you reach 100%. Locate and close gaps in course standards coverage to ensure your course offering aligns with all necessary standards.